Oh, do and sharp sharp. You know, say now when your DSTV expire, you will come to appreciate advertisement. No time. Only you come to watch advertisement, you come to get storyline for your ear. I beg, I just come back. You know, guy, I want to be all that and that. See, all of them will read, apart from people who be theater students, thespians. Any course won't read. I won't beg when I'm going to go to practice them. Because the way all of them suffer, go school, finish. They'll ask you, what do? You say, I'm in the street. Street don't full. More than find crescent, enter avenue, lane, more than enter. Street don't the title. You know, go spend 4 years, finish come street. If not street, you want to for there from beginning. Now they hear me now. I just come back on her. That's why for other country, when you hear professor, the things you hear with them is innovation, inventing things, resource, providing future solution to even future problems. Nigeria, what do we do with professor? They use the cat election no still correct. Alpha. Osun State, now so they spend 18 hours count election with the use of they watch that they come back say conclusive. How many alphabet they conclusive? Where they'll use one day take count. So I just beg I need to help us read, maybe go back there. Now during Jonathan, everybody fell. Since we Buhari come now, some people now they like Ghana flag, they black, they fell. And before they see they drive G-Wagon, they blow everywhere, they wind up. For Abuja now, person they drive G-Wagon, enter application buy for 700 naira. Things don't ready. Now before landlord they shout for you, say if you cannot pay house rent 2 years, pack out. For Abuja now, your own landlord they call you, say my brother 50,000 sent to me. Sent to me, I cannot have a house and be self-free, sent to me. No go there. I they tell you now before you go come this kind of event, see everybody carry hair to 200,000. Now team natural don't be devil guess who. Now everybody they use their hand coil their hair now. Things don't normal. Now before you go give person ticket for this kind of show, you go carry girl from Lagos University. They come here. Since when these things happen now, men don't know so their wives are less expensive. Once you give the ticket, say, give me for my wife. Give me for my wife. Responsibility now don't besiege us. Nobody get that for problem. But I tell people whether you like it or not, the problem what we get for this country, one issue they want need to address. Who they control this thing? Put US coat of arm for you. If you see that coat of arm, even you gonna know say everything for the coat of arm, it rhyme with the country. Now look at where. Count the arrow where they here. Now 13 arrows. If they tell you say the full US now original 13 states now every day there. Count the leaves where they for this olive branch now 13 leaves. Google them. To further reiterate say now 13 states now the US. Now count the olive fruit. See them. This seed 13. Still on the 13th state. Now see the star. They place them 1, 4, 3, 4, 1. 13. Now see where US day for your heart. They can write a pluribus unum. Oh God. Una not they follow. Many out of one. United one. Now you see this eagle as he face here, so only peace. He simply tell you that US they give you the option of peace first. Any day when this eagle face arrow, your country no get where to face. You guys will be faceless. Now go there. Everything for the coat of arm where one animal put Nigeria coat of arm. Animal fed too much. Now monkey, thief, snake because of their guys they protect the country. That's it that they get up. Now see the guys, the horse. Instead of for whole Nigeria where they use one hand and one leg. Stand like slave queen. Stand like slave queen. Where they go queen us. See him. Yeah, understand me. Yeah, understand. Remove and put another one. Put the ring out of her. Oh, remove this guy. He too they stand like this. This guy wear her hips, they come when she like. Remove him. You understand? Now see the full country. There na River Niger, River Benue. Here where they meet na Lokoja confluence. All this place for Nigeria, they don't tell us say all this black. They don't say oil no there anywhere for Nigeria coat of arm. Oil where they survive us. All this one agriculture. Still yet with the bring stew from China. You don't understand me. Now Google this thing. What I Google. Wikipedia say the The red flower which are incorrect, the yellow flower which are incorrectly showing as red, is there Wikipedia. That means even Wikipedia knows that the country not correct. Now, in a country where you have over 190 million persons, 30,000 professors, 150,000 PhD holders, 20 million master degree holders, more than 15 million BSc holders, you get 50 million YX certificate holder, more than 70 million primary school certificate holder. Why are we going to submit something to Wikipedia when we know it's not correct? What would they use school do now? That's why they suggest more stop school, more use graduate to get finished. Because you wake up as a corner, come out soon they start for police station. Oh. Now they understand. Now say the thing where they write. They say unity and faith, peace and progress. What do they use and they do? And too much now. Now see what you need to do, ladies and gentlemen. You must have faith in peace. Bring faith, come back, put peace near him. When a man is peaceful, the man cannot have issues. Unity must stay, then progress will come. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, I feel more than just change and I'll go.
Girl back bigger than a black China. Tell me if you give you say me get stamina.